Day 19. Inside and outside. Inside and outside describe two contrasting states of position and experience. The difference between inside and outside is not only spatial but also contextual. Section 1. Inside, root, endo. Greek term for inside, within. The term endo in Greek is a prefix that means within or inside. It is commonly used in various medical and scientific terms to indicate something located or occurring inside a particular organ, structure, or system. 631. Endorphin. Noun. This word combines endo, Greek for within, plus suffix derived from morphine. These are naturally occurring feel-good hormones. Endorphins are natural chemicals produced by the body that act as neurotransmitters. They are referred to as feel-good hormones because they play a significant role in reducing pain and promoting feelings of well-being and pleasure. Endorphins are released in response to stress and pain and help reduce the perception of pain. They also contribute to feelings of euphoria and well-being, referred to as a runner's high, when released during physical exercise. 632. Endocrine. Adjective, endo. Greek for within, plus krine. Greek for separate, secrete. Pertaining to the system producing hormones. Endocrine refers to the system in the human body responsible for producing and regulating hormones. These are chemical messengers that play a crucial role in controlling various bodily functions, including growth, metabolism, reproduction, and mood. The endocrine system consists of glands, such as the pituitary gland, thyroid gland, adrenal glands, and pancreas, among others. These glands release hormones into the bloodstream, allowing them to travel to organs or tissues throughout the body. Example: some of the key hormones produced by the endocrine system include insulin, blood sugar, adrenaline, fight or flight response, and thyroid hormones, metabolism. 633. Endometriosis. Noun, endo. Greek. Within, inner. Plus, metra. Greek. Uterus, womb. Plus, or cis. Greek. Disease. Tissue similar to the lining of the uterus, endometrium, growing outside of the uterus. In endometriosis, tissue similar to the lining of the uterus, called the endometrium, grows outside the uterus. This tissue, known as endometrial implants, can develop on various pelvic organs, such as the ovaries, etc. During the menstrual cycle, the endometrial tissue inside the uterus thickens and is shed during menstruation. However, the endometrial implants outside the uterus have no way to exit the body, leading to inflammation, pain, and the formation of scar tissue, adhesions. Example: treatment options for endometriosis may include pain management, hormone therapy, and surgery, depending on the severity of symptoms and the individual's reproductive goals. 634. Endotherm. Noun, endo. Greek. Within. Plus, therme. Greek for heat. Refers to organism regulating its body temperature internally. An endotherm is an organism that can internally regulate its body temperature, typically maintaining a relatively constant and higher temperature than the surrounding environment. Endothermic animals, commonly known as warm-blooded, include mammals and birds. They possess several adaptations that enable them to maintain a stable body temperature, such as insulation through fur or feathers, a high metabolic rate, and the ability to generate heat through metabolic processes. Example: endothermal stability provides several advantages, including the ability to be active in a wider range of temperatures, increased efficiency in bodily functions. 635. Endothelium. Noun, endo. Greek. Inside. Plus, tele. Greek for nipple, bud. Inner lining or layer of blood vessels. The endothelium is a tissue that lines the inner surfaces of blood vessels, from the largest arteries to the tiniest capillaries. This single layer of cells serves as a dynamic interface between the circulating blood and the body's tissues. It plays a pivotal role in regulating blood vessel tone, influencing blood pressure and blood flow, by releasing substances like nitric oxide, which causes vessels to relax, and endothelin, which constricts them. Example: the endothelium is instrumental in controlling blood clotting by releasing factors that help initiate clot formation, thereby preventing excessive bleeding. Root, asor. Greek for inside. The Greek word asor means within or inside. It is commonly used to refer to the interior or inner part of something. Similarly, in a broader context, it can be used metaphorically to refer to inner qualities, thoughts, or feelings. 636. Esoteric. Adjective, esoterikos. Greek for inner, within. Derived from esoterios. Greek for inward. It means to be understood by a select few, or the inner circle. Esoteric describes something that is understood or known by only a small, specialized group of people, who have a particular interest, expertise, or access to specific knowledge. This knowledge or information is intentionally kept hidden or restricted to this select group and less accessible to the general public. Esoteric teachings in philosophy or spirituality might involve complex, abstract concepts that are comprehensible only to those who have studied them extensively. Example: certain forms of art, literature, or even hobbies can be considered esoteric if they require specialized knowledge or a deep understanding to appreciate fully. The opposite is exoteric. Similar, recondite, abstract, abstruse, arcane, enigmatic, mystical, occult. 637. Esotropia. Noun, asor. Greek for inward. Plus, tropos. Greek for turn. Eyes that are turned inwards. Cross-eyed. Esotropia is a medical term that describes a type of strabismus, squinting, which is a condition characterized by an abnormal alignment of the eyes. Specifically, esotropia refers to a condition where one eye deviates inward, turning towards the nose, while the other eye remains straight or turned slightly outward. This misalignment can be either constant or intermittent. Esotropia typically develops in childhood and is referred to as crossed eyes. Example: esotropia can occur due to various factors, including problems with the eye muscles, neurological issues, or refractive errors, such as nearsightedness.